What are records in C? If you are curious about how C# handles data in a way that is both efficient and effective, you are in for a treat. Today, we are discussing records in C# and how they play a role in game development. So, what exactly are records? In C#, records are a special type designed for representing data models. They focus on immutability, meaning once you create a record, its data cannot change. This is particularly useful in gaming technology, where stability is key. Imagine player stats or game settings that should remain constant during gameplay. Records help ensure that these values do not accidentally change, which could lead to bugs. Records can be declared as either classes or structs using the record keyword. This flexibility allows developers to choose the best fit for their needs. One of the standout features of records is value equality. Unlike typical classes that compare object references, records compare the values of all their properties. So, if two records have the same data, they are considered equal. This is especially handy for data transfer objects, where what matters is the content rather than the identity of the object. Another key characteristic is immutability. Records allow properties to be set only during initialization with the init accessor. This means once you create a record, you cannot modify its data. This design helps prevent unintended side effects, making records thread-safe. In the fast-paced world of game development, this is a significant advantage. The syntax for defining a record is also concise. For example, you can create a record for a car with just a single line of code. This simplicity reduces the amount of code you need to write, making your development process smoother. Records also support non-destructive mutation. This means you can create new instances based on existing ones while changing some properties. You do this using the with expression, allowing you to update data safely without altering the original record. Additionally, records can inherit from other records. This feature allows for hierarchical data models while maintaining the benefits of immutability and value equality. This is particularly useful when creating complex game data structures. In the realm of game development, C# records are a fantastic tool for modeling various game data. They can represent player statistics, game settings, or configuration data. By using records, developers can reduce bugs and improve code clarity. For instance, records can be used to representing snapshots of game state or configuration objects that should remain unchanged during gameplay. In summary, records in C# provide a modern way to define data-centric types. They emphasize immutability and value-based comparisons, making them well-suited for applications in gaming technology and development tools. If you are looking to streamline your game development process, consider incorporating records into your projects.